Okay guys, so I'll be doing a record on how you can contribute to the project. So I've deleted what I had yesterday, which was the fork I did. So I'm just going to start all afresh. So now this is me on my profile. I'm trying to navigate to the project. Since I already know the project I want to contribute to, which is our SCA project. So I'm just going to type SCA Lagos and I'll search, and it's going to bring out the list. Okay, so this is it. So I'm going to go to this project, and this is the repository. How do you know? This is the name of the account, and this is the repository I'm working on, and this repository has issues. Pull request is not showing. So now I already know the issues here. So for if you want to verify, you could just go to issues. Well, I'll not be going all through that, so I just want to show you what to do. So when you just land on the account repository, so not just the account but the repository where you're seeing the files and everything, what you're going to do, you click on this button right here. It's a fork button, so I'm going to click on it and I'll fork this repository. So fork just means having a copy on it, having a copy of the repo on your own repository, having a copy of the project on your own repository like yours, such that you have access to do anything. You have access to edit, delete without even the owner of the repository's consent. But that does not mean the changes you're making are going to this account. No, it's only going to your own account. Okay, so I was not looking at my screen all the while. Okay, I think my network. Let me just go back. So I'm creating a fork, and it should take me to where I should add name. Oh shit, let me post this. Okay, so I'm here. So I'm just going to rename this so that I can remember it, and I'll just add contribution, SCA Lagos contribution. So this is my repo, so I have the right to give it any name I want to give it. So yeah, I could just go on and create fork. So now I'm going to have a repository on my own account called SCA Lagos repository. So now here is a copy, and because I want to make an edit to this repository, I would only edit from this my copy. So I'll go back here to the readme file, which is where the issue is, and one of the issue I want to work on. Let me just duplicate this tab so that I can go back to the SCA repository. Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick one instead of doing a search, since I already know the account name. So I'm coming to this repository, I'll click on it, and I'll click on this repro. So I want to review the issue again so that I don't make mistakes. So I want to go with the first one, issue with image. Okay, so I want to go with this one. I open this image, and it says image to the Twitter page on line 15 seem to have a bug. So I'm going back to my account. This is the readme file. I'll go to edit. You can see my button, my mouse says edit this file. So I click on edit. I'm able to edit it because it's on my account, Chisom Jude. Okay, so when I come to edit, I scroll down to line 15. This is line 15, linking to Twitter. So this is the image they are talking about. It's saying it has an issue. So I will be looking at this image. I'm already solving this problem. So now if I look at this image here, the source starts with a single bracket. It ended here with double bracket, which is wrong. and the image tag should be closed, but I don't see a close. So these are two different things. So I'm going to correct the first one, which is this. I'm going to close it with this same kind of bracket. So I'm going to add it here. You can even look at what the other ones have. So you can see this one, it has a closing tag. So I'm just going to trace it down. This one closes. Alternative says Facebook, and there's a closing bracket. So why wouldn't this other one have a closing bracket? So I'm going to copy this closing bracket, copy, and I'm going to close this bracket right here, paste. So I just closed it. So whether space or not, it doesn't matter. So I think I have solved this problem here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to commit my change. So I'm going to say commit, and I'm going to add extended description. Okay, it's optional, but I just want to add it. I'll say fix issue. So let me pick the issue number. Issue number is #6. So that is the issue I'm solving. I'm going to put that in here. Say fix issue 6, and I'm committing to my main branch, so I'm going to say commit. Okay, so now for my main branch, if you're very observant, when I opened this initially, everywhere was blue, and that was because that image is affecting every other thing there. So it's now back to normal, but this is only on my account. So what do I do next? I need to inform SCA Lagos that I made a change, and I want them to accept the change if it solves their problem. So I'm going to go, I'm still on my account contributor, but I want to create a pull request. So I'll click on pull request. So I'm sending this to SCA Lagos. So I'm going to create new pull request, and I'm sending this pull request from my own branch to the main branch for SCA Lagos. So I want them to review, and GitHub will show you the differences. So they will already see that on this line 16 you did this, you added this, and you added this, and wow, if it solves the problem, they should see it and accept it. So I'm going to say I'm looking for where I can add a comment to this, though I already added comments when I did a commit. Okay, okay, let's go to create pull requests. Okay, sure. So the pull requests, update this is not what I want to say. I want to add to my comment that it's a fix to issue 6. I'm just going to copy it. It's a fix to issue 6. So it's always good to add comments, please. It kind of gives more clarification to the person who is going to accept your pull request. It really helps. It makes things easy. So I'm going to say edited. I'm just going to say what I did. Well, edited line 15 and 16. I think that was 16, to fix this issue, to fix issue 6. Okay, so I'm going to paste it. Then I'm going ahead to do what? Create pull request. So this is just all you need to do from your end. This is all you need to do. SCA Lagos would receive this pull request and confirm if you, as you can see, only those with right access to this repository can merge. So my request is still very much pending, and they will confirm if it can be merged or not. Thank you.